Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities, PCG Research. Today, Singapore Nifty is down 70 points as US markets closed sharply lower on concerns that the Fed will keep its policy tightening to fight inflation. However, there is a slight decline in the Asian markets. Exit polls are favorable for the ruling party and crude is back to the levels of 82. The 80 level is of great importance and below it can quickly fall to the next levels of $77, which will be positive for the Indian markets. So we need to keep a close watch on the level of 80. Today, the market will trade in the shadow of tomorrow's RBI policy. So we need to see that how actually market closes today. During the day, 18,570 is going to act as major support for the market. So between 18,600 and 18,570, there is huge amount of put writing. So that will going to act as major support for the market. Below 18,570, the chances of dropping to the next important level of 18,500 to 18,450. On the higher side, 18,750 is going to act as major resistance, and above 18,750, we would see the next levels of 18,865 or 18,850, where the market is having resistance in terms of retracements. Broadly, we are of the view that today again the markets are going to spend some time within the range. But in case if we see the markets are crossing 18,750, then the market may easily move to the next level. However, we are going to see breakout sort of formation only if it breaks the level of 18,900. Till then, we are expecting Nifty to remain in a range. Yesterday, we also saw a good amount of rally in Bank Nifty in the second half from the levels of almost 42,900, 950, on which we discussed many times in the past that it is going to act as major support. After hitting those levels, we saw a sharp recovery and markets Bank Nifty close at 43,350 levels. For the day, 43,450 is going to act as major resistance, and above that the chances of hitting 43,750 would turn bright. So we need to keep a close watch on 43,450 for the day on the Bank Nifty. Also, if we consider other indices, then in that auto index was down mainly because of rise in the crude prices in last 2-3 days, but today again we may see some activity in the auto companies. However, Nifty IT index is on the verge of throwing back to the support level of 30,450 or 500, where it has huge support. In case if we see any drop during the day in the Nifty IT index or in other IT companies, then we should be buyer in those companies with a medium to long term view. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us and have a great day to all of you.